Rusty was a scruffy terrier who had no home. He wandered the dusty plains near a small village, feeling lonely and lost. One day, he found shelter under a big oak tree. Nearby, in a fenced-in area, lived Clementine, a gentle cow. At first, Rusty was scared of Clementine. She was so big. But Clementine was curious about the small brown dog. She would nudge the fence with her nose and watch him with kind eyes. Rusty, feeling a little braver, would chase butterflies and bark playfully, making Clementine smile. Soon, they became the best of friends. Rusty would bring Clementine the prettiest wildflowers he could find. In return, Clementine would gently nudge him with her head. Sometimes Clementine even shared a bit of her hay. They spent their days together, enjoying the sunshine and the cool breeze. But their friendship wasn't always easy. Some children in the village were mean to Rusty. They would throw rocks at him, and Clementine would worry. She would try to protect him by standing close to the fence. Clementine made loud mooing sounds to scare the children away. Then a drought came. The fields dried up, and the grass turned brown. The farmers had no food for their animals. The farmers had to sell some of their cows. Clementine was sold to a farm far away. Rusty was heartbroken. He missed his friend terribly. He wandered the empty fields, feeling sad and lonely. One day, Rusty was searching for scraps of food when he heard a familiar sound, Clementine's moo. He followed the sound and found her at a nearby farm. Rusty barked with joy and wagged his tail so hard his whole body wiggled. Clementine was overjoyed to see him too. She nuzzled him with her head and licked his face. From then on, Rusty visited Clementine every day. He would play with her, chase away pesky flies, and keep her company. Their friendship had overcome many challenges,